So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off Copilot suggestions on your VS Code easily. Now there are two ways. First one is very simple. You can easily go to the extension and search for the Copilot, and under this Copilot extension just simply uninstall it. But now whenever you need to use it again, you have to install that particular extension again. So whatever second thing you can do is just simply come back to that particular Java file here. You simply need to go select on, just simply click on this option of right there that looks something like this, and under here you'll see this option of snooze. Just simply click over there, and here we can add up multiple times as well, like +5 minutes. Now until this timer finishes, the Copilot suggestion will completely stopped in VS Code. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.